बीजेपी को मुस्तरद कर दिया है वापस।
जी मानी साहब, मैं जानना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर जिस तरह की सूरत है, यानी अभी नाज़रीन अगर देखें तो 12 MIM के जो
B. And what is B? B is equal to 4 times molar volume, volume of a mole, 4 times volume of 1 mole. The here sound is completely 100%. Is it audible to all of you clearly? Yes, sir. No, sir. If you are having problem, check with your system. I am not having any problem here in this case. Is it clear now? Okay. Right, everything is fine. I know it better. If there is some problem, you have to manage from your side, because here I have kept volume 100, and if possible beyond 100, definitely I will do. But I don't think that in my system it is not more than 100 number. If it is there in your system, please suggest me. I'll take that system and purchase that one. This is equal to 4 into Vm. What is Vm beta? This is Vm is called molar volume, volume of a mole, right? When we are discussing volume of 1 mole of gas, there is a problem here. What is the problem? Sir, here he has given something 0.44 grams. That means he not asking with respect to what we can say total volume. Therefore, we proceed N into B. B is equal to per molar volume. This is for 1 mole, right? No, we are having volume correction for dash moles. How many moles? 4.4 grams. Therefore, volume correction for given quantity. I am now manipulating my discussion in terms of question. Basically, this is B. Basically, this is 4 times volume of 1 mole. Over. No, sir. Question is not like that. Question is given in terms of 4. So, if I do like this, I have to say for N moles, NB. Okay. What is this N? N is equal to weight by molecular weight into B value. Here given directly. If not given directly, we have to calculate and we have to substitute here. So, this is supposed to be 0.04. Right? 4 into 10 power minus 3. This is volume correction. Volume correction must be always given in terms of liter per mole. But here in this case, can you please tell me what should be the units? I should not say per mole, because I have calculated for given quantity. Therefore, it is this many liters. Fine. This is number game. Now, what is concept game? Concept game is this much volume of the container is not available. Not available. What is the meaning of volume correction? Excluded volume. Something which is not available is called excluded volume. Usman Abdul Alim. Beta, which section you have not written? Roll number you have written. Please make correction there. Okay. Question number 2. Let me complete the slide, then you proceed. Go on. Calculate the percentage of free volume available. What is asking? Calculate the percentage of free volume available in 1 mole of gaseous water. Okay, very nice. 1 mole of gaseous water at 1 atmosphere. Okay. Achha, here one more thing is asking. Sorry, I have missed that one. What he's asking, he's also talking about what is the pressure correction. Wait a minute. Just wait. Okay, if you want to talk about pressure correction, what is pressure correction? Pressure correction is what is it? A. No, No, sir, it is not pressure correction. It is called Van der Waals constant. Yes, very good. AN squared by V square. This whole is known as pressure correction. Is it clear? Now pressure correction is equal to A. What is A? 3.6 into N squared. 4.4 by 44. 0.1. 0.01 square. Volume 1 liter square. That is 36 into 10 power minus 3. This is known as pressure correction. Don't write atmosphere liter square per mole. Simply write atmosphere. When we are discussing this, we should talk about pressure correction like this. Don't write complete unit for that. Sir, I am writing pressure correction A in term. This is the unit of A. This is a unit of B. We are writing the unit of pressure correction in terms of pressure. Volume correction in terms of volume. Right? This is the answer for that one. Next. Come on, let us take question number 2. Question number 2 is calculate the percentage of free volume available in 1 mole of gaseous water. Remember, he is saying free volume available in 1 mole of gaseous water. That means in case of gaseous water, wherever you are having gas sample, some space will be unoccupied. That only we have said as volume correction. At 1 atmosphere and 100 degrees centigrade, 1 atmosphere and 100 degrees centigrade, fine. Density of liquid water, okay, density of liquid water, take care of this, what he is giving, liquid water is equal to 0.958. I'll make it simple, 0.96. Let us take grams per ml. We don't want to have mathematical complication. Assume ideal gas behavior. This is supposed to be liquid. Now, how to proceed for this? Very simple, sir. He is asking about what is the free space available with respect to 1 mole of water. Now, this is a beautiful question to learn the concept. By peaceful students, please take care of this and enjoy the concept. Right? It is also suitable for you for calculations. How to proceed? Come on. Let us take first of all water. I solve in this style. First of all, water, right? Which type of water I have taken? Gaseous form of water. If I take this one, then what will be the volume? Pg is equal to nR. Okay, come on. What is pressure? 1 atmosphere, sir. What is volume? I don't know. What volume? Gaseous volume is equal to number of moles. How many mole? 1 mole. What is R? 0.0821. What is temperature? 373 kelvins. Therefore, volume of H2O in gaseous state I got it. Nice. Answer is liters. Now the question is, if suppose for example you are saying, sir, volume of water available in gaseous state is this much, then try to find out what is the volume in liquid state. Next job. Suppose if I am having liquid state, what is volume? Density is equal to mass by volume. Therefore, volume of liquid water is equal to mass. What is mass? 1 mole. What is 1 mole? 1 mole is equal to 18 grams, whether you are having solid state, liquid state or gaseous state. Therefore, we have 18 grams by density. What is density? 0.96. Sir, I got it. This is called alpha. This is known as beta, liters. Now the question comes, sir, this is supposed to be the volume of liquid. Definitely it is less. This is more. Alpha will be more than beta. Therefore, percentage of free space, as if we are having gaseous state, is equal to higher value minus lower value compared to higher value. It is called fractional change. No, sir, into 100 is called percentage of free space. Got it? Go ahead. Go ahead. if you are asking this one, he is not asking this one. I am having one step ahead, I have gone. He is asking simply percentage of free volume, free space or free volume, both are same. Then what I should say, this is supposed to be occupied, this is left out. Alpha minus beta by alpha into total volume 100. Do stepwise. I am jumping somewhere here. Do stepwise. You are not going to round up the value. You have to use as it is 0.96. Very good. Answer is given as 99.94%. Right? You have given answer 38%. That is something. I don't know what you are calculating. Alpha minus beta by alpha into 100 is 99.94%. Now, write down the answer. You try it later on. But have a look on the answer and the statement percentage of free volume. That means in the gas container, if suppose you are having a liquid substance and the same substance in the gas container, gaseous state, see how much volume is left out. 99.94% is freely available. Freely available. Right. Next question. Write correct answer. Try later on. Next. Question number 3. Calculate the molecular diameter. Calculate the molecular diameter. Molecular diameter of helium. volume, its van der Waal constant V equals to 24 ml per mole. 24 ml per mole. See that he has given in ml, right? Now, how to proceed further? For this purpose, what I can do, I'll proceed like this. When he is talking about the diameter, somewhere it is connected to volume of the system. Therefore, I'll go in this way. Sir, we have V value given to us. When V is given to you, we know that volume correction V, what is the value of V? V is equal to 4 Na into volume of a mole. This is something which is given to us. Okay. When we are discussing this, then normally what we can say, sir, we are having a 4 times volume of 1 mole. This is suppose, for example, one molecule. If I take this in, this is known as which volume? Molar volume. What is this? 4 by 3 by r cube. No, sir. 4 by 3 by r cube. Yes, sir. R cube is something like this. Do you know the value of B? Yes, sir. Given to you 4 Na into 4 by 3 pi diameter by 2. Come on. Using that, go to diameter. If we are having ml here, that means it is in cc, centimeter cube. Therefore, diameter will be answered in terms of centimeter. Go ahead. Muhammad Ayub Khan and Muhammad Maazuddin, something like that. I don't know what is the name total. Maaz. Okay. You are saying repeatedly voice is less. Tell me, should I continue or should I close up the class? Because nothing is there in my hand. I have done everything here. Everything is systematically clear, and most of you are saying yes, sir. It is clear. If you have problem, please check up. Otherwise, if you have still problem, please simply say, sir, I don't need class today. I'll pack up. No problem. No problem. I can listen or see the complaint once on chat box. I can arrange myself. That's all. Repeatedly, if you are saying so, I cannot do anything. Instead of that, you are unnecessarily wasting your time. Use your headphone properly. No problem. No, it is okay. It's like this. But अन्ना सी ऐसा ही रहेगा. अगर आप interested तो join करिए. Otherwise, please go out of the class. No problem. I have tried my level best. Remaining students, is it audible properly? Are you able to listen? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, clear. Okay. So many are saying clear. So many are saying manageable. Okay, fine. नाच न जाने आंगन पे डांस. Come on. Question number 4. Diameter. Answer is given as 41.4 10 power minus 8. Okay. Check. Next question. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. He has given 2 questions. This is not the answer for that. Second option is this one. First option is something different. 2.71 angstrom he is saying. Thank you, beta. If suppose you are saying that it is clear, but I can manage it, thanks a lot. You are having capacity to behave like a student. Very good. Thank you. Go ahead. Calculate the pressure exerted by 5 moles of carbon dioxide. He is saying pressure exerted by 5 moles of carbon dioxide. What I should write here? Number of moles of carbon dioxide 5. Okay. In 1 liter, very good. Volume is 1 liter. Next, he is saying that at 47 degrees centigrade, no problem, sir. Using van der Waals equation, also report the pressure of a gas if it is behaving ideally. A is equal to 3.6. A value is given as 3.6. As usual, atmosphere, meter square per mole square. Nice. And next, B is equal to 0.043. When you are solving the problem, just have a look on values of A and B. Range देखते जाइए, ये सब चीजें सीखने के हैं, right? Range of B values decimals में हमेशा होगा. A की value 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. This you have to enjoy. The range you have to enjoy that one. Okay. Now, how to proceed? Simply he is talking about find the pressure. What he's asking? Calculate the pressure. Okay. Nice. What to do? Sir, A and B are given to me. It means I am dealing with which gas? A real behavior. Therefore, what is that? P plus A n square upon V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. Simply substitution, right? Neat type of problem. What is pressure? My job. Is it given to you? Yes. AS n square. Volume? Yes, sir. All are available to you. Go ahead for calculation of pressure. Please don't waste your time. Substitute the values properly. Write down pressure in terms of atmosphere. You can do calculations. Okay. In the second bit, he is saying also find the pressure when you are having ideal behavior. Now that is important for us because in that case, what we do, we try to have a comparison. PV is equal to nRT. Now you are enjoying the concept to be in the form of ideal behavior. What is pressure? Sir, this is called PI. What is this called? This is called pressure real gas. Okay. Pressure ideal into volume, range as it is, number of moles, same as it is, R value, no problem, 0.0821 into temperature. 47 means 47 plus 273. Okay, you find out this one. After finding the answer, what is your job? For a small amount of time, try to consider these two and compare. What we have said in earlier classes, pressure of real gas is supposed to be always, right? In this case, what we have said, note, we have said in our classes, pressure of real gases is always less than pressure of ideal gas. Go ahead. Go ahead. Seventy-seven point atmosphere. Very good. This person is saying 77.22 atmospheres. No problem. No problem. 77.22 atmosphere. Go ahead for ideal behavior. फिर आ गया आज ठीक है चलो कोई बात नहीं shall I proceed anybody else to find out answer question number 5 131.36 excellent very good this is 131.36 correct here now see that when we are discussing pressure of ideal gas 131 and what about this fellow 77 it is always true that whenever we are talking about real behavior pressure of gas will be less due to intermolecular force of attraction nice let us go to next question question number 5 if volume occupied by carbon dioxide molecule is negligible make a star on this question if volume occupied by carbon dioxide molecule volume occupied by carbon dioxide molecule is negligible he is saying negligible okay nice negligible find the pressure exerted by find the pressure exerted by 1 mole of carbon dioxide 1 mole of carbon dioxide at 273 kelvins okay. A is equal to 3.6 atmosphere meter square per mole square right question is very logical and beautiful may be possible for us how to proceed he is saying volume actual volume of gas molecule is negligible right indirectly he is saying that he is negligible the problem is over if you are saying B is negligible then van der Waals equation should be written as E plus an square by B square into B minus NB is equal to nRT. No, sir, he is saying that actual volume of gas molecule is negligible, therefore we have to eliminate it. Now, go ahead for calculation of the problem. Luckily, number of mole is given as 1, so there is no need to write down this. A value is given to you, right? And when he is talking about volume, expand it and substitute, get the question. Proceed. Go on, go ahead. Wait a minute. If you solve this question, I think you may get V square and all that. Listen, all of you, particularly doctors, right? Scientists can do easily because here we get ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That value will get, and you have to substitute that one and simplify. We have quadratic equation, right? Minus alpha plus r minus under root rt square minus 4b something like that. All that equation is not suitable for NEET students, but scientists, please go ahead with that calculation. I'll give the answer, you verify. Don't waste time in calculations in the class. 34.96 atmosphere. Doctor, same problem can come to you, but the problem numbers will be given in such a way. For example, he has given A is equal to 3.6, volume will be given as 36 liters, something like this. Then it will be very simple. Concept is to remember. That means we are reducing the equation of van der Waals by neglecting one of the term. This we have done in our class notes. It is available, right? Next, write down the answer. Proceed 34.96. Keep it as it is. Don't waste time in calculations. We'll go ahead for the next problem. exactly similar problem, but you can do it. You can manage the calculations also very easily. Let us try to do that one. See what next he's saying. Compression compressibility factor for 1 mole of van der Waals gas. Compressibility factor for 1 mole of van der Waals gas at 0 degrees centigrade and 100 atmosphere, 100 atmosphere is found to be 0.5, is found to be 0.5. Assume that volume of gas molecule is negligible. Volume of gas molecule, same story, is negligible. Find van der Waals constant A. Okay, nice. How to proceed for this here? Now, whenever we are solving the problem, remember that I am repeatedly using a statement in our classes that don't try to solve the problem, try to learn the problem, right? What is usually done by not you, most of the students. Come on, sir, what is the number given? This number, this number, this number. What is the formula? Substitute, get the answer, write the units, finished. You are perfectly right. 95% you are right. What is the remaining 5% which will dominate the whole rank of a student is learn from the question. Learn from the question. What is that learning statement? Sir, Z is 0.5. Okay, okay. Z is 0.5 means we are having Z value less than 1. Think of that graph Z versus P, that we are taking the graph lower side, dip side, right? As we are increasing the pressure, Z value decreases. We have said, sir, this gas is supposed to have negative deviation. This gas can be easily compressible. This gas can be easily liquefied. All these are the conclusions which we have to learn from the situation. If you learn from that one, try to conclude. If suppose the value of Z is less than 1 and if you are accepting it is easily compressible, what should be the value of A? Sir, A value should be high. Intermolecular force must be high. Attractive force is dominating. Okay, come on, now come to the story. What is that? P plus, since it is 1 square, right forward, don't write this one, and then B minus B. No sir, B is negligible. Volume, actual volume is negligible, is equal to RT. Okay, now what is to be done here in this case? Sir, we are having 1 mole 0 degree centigrade 100 atmosphere. From this what I'll do, I'll calculate PV is equal to nRT. Are you able to understand? Pressure is given to me, right? Temperature is given to me, number of moles are given to me. I'll find out the volume so that I can substitute here the volume, here we can cancel it and make simplify, substitute the value of here. Volume is not available, here volume is given to you, right? Since volume is not available, I'm saying solve the question. Here in this case, if you find out this, we can proceed. Go ahead. दो स्टेप में करेंगे. In the step number 1, we'll find out the volume here and then substitute. Okay. अच्छा एक काम करेंगे और एक आपको just wait a minute. Suppose for example if you are taking this type of volume, then I can go for a real behavior. Sorry, ideal behavior. No sir, we are dealing with ideal gas, real gas, that is 0.5. Go ahead like this. What is the problem? That is equal to, what was that? PV by RT. This is perfect method. Okay. Now Z value given to you, pressure value, our job, no sir, 100 atmosphere, volume, our job, R known to me, temperature given to you. Go ahead, find out this volume here and substitute. If you are doing that PV is equal to RT, you are finding out ideal volume. This is not ideal volume. This is supposed to be real volume. Go ahead. ऐसा लिखो या फिर आपको और अच्छा समझ में आना है ऐसा लिखो. is equal to 1.25. Saidur Rahman, you're using calculator. No problem, no problem. Atmosphere, atmosphere, liter square. Atmosphere, liter square per mole square. Correct? You are right. Next. Next question. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? Okay, no problem. Compressibility factor for a given real gas, compressibility factor for a given real gas is 0.927. 927, very close to ideal behavior at 273 kelvins and 100 atmospheres. Okay. Calculate the amount of gas required, amount of gas. W is asking to fill a cylinder of 100 liters. 100 liters. Under given conditions. Molecular mass of the gas he has given as molar mass is equal to 30. Okay, no problem. Go ahead. How to proceed? What he is saying that Z is given to you. No problem, sir. Very simple. Z is equal to by R. No, 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 no. It is for 1 mole of gas. Therefore, what I should write? We should talk about Z is equal to PV by RT, right? In place of that, for N moles, PV by nRT. The job is over. What is the pressure given to you? Here it is available. What is temperature? Yes, sir, given. Volume is given to you. We have to find out weight. What is weight? Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular mass. Go ahead. 14.4, Ijaz Ahmad, right? 14.4 grams. Come on, next question. Last question of Van der Waals equation, and this is very important for both of you. It's a conceptual question, 2004 IIT examination. IIT examination, once I use this word, usually NEET students, okay, हमारा काम का नहीं है, ठीक है. Those students who are really interested to get a proper and good rank, they should change their attitude. They should say यही हमारा है, IIT mains ही आपका intention है, remember that. Otherwise, no sir, if I want to have normal representation, I want to become a repeater student, go ahead, no problem. A graph is plotted between PV, he has given VM along y-axis. Okay, ठीक है, चलिए, along y-axis. And P along x-axis, ये भी ठीक है, P along x-axis. चलो ठीक. Where Vm is molar volume, no problem, and A is what is it? Molar volume of a real gas. Find the intercept along y-axis. Along y-axis is asking. Okay, no problem. थोड़ा सा conceptually enjoy कीजिए. Very beautiful question. He is talking about real gas. Okay, this is given to you for real gas. This is all given to you for real gas. Okay. If I am taking real gas, then what happens? Sir, in case of real gas, we say P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. I am taking 1 mole because he is saying molar volume here. ठीक है, चलिए. अब once you are having this one, then what he is asking, PV should be along y-axis. ठीक है, यहाँ से PV आएगा, PV minus PB, ठीक है, plus A by V, ये भी ठीक है, minus A into B by V square, ये भी ठीक है, is equal to RT. चलो ठीक, nothing is there to discuss. Simply I have expanded. All this is molar volume. Now the question is, if suppose, right, you want to draw a plot, जरा ध्यान से सुनिए. If you want to draw a plot, यहाँ क्या होगा? P into B, molar volume. Understood, sir? This is pressure, right? Now, suppose for example, he is saying, find the intercept along y-axis. Take care of this language, right? By PC students, especially IIT students, because you people will be, okay, हमको सब कुछ आता है, और confidence में समझ में नहीं आता है. Intercept along y-axis means the value of y when x is equal to 0. Are you able to listen carefully? Yes, sir. Intercept along y-axis means the value of y when x is equal to 0. Value of y when x is equal to 0. Doctors, is it clear? Come on, now take pressure. Decrease the pressure, decrease the pressure, decrease the pressure. When you are saying pressure is equal to 0, that means x value is equal to 0. When x parameter becomes 0, whatever the value you are getting here in this case, that value is known as y intercept. I will understand. Okay, ये है mathematical opinion. अब थोड़ा photograph कुछ turn कीजिए. The physical opinion of this one is, sir, when I am saying that x value tends to 0 or pressure is becoming 0, volume will be too much high because inversely proportional to each other. Volume is very high. Therefore, okay, what I have to enjoy? for y intercept, x value is equal to 0. That means pressure is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, better language, tends to 0. This implies volume is very high. When volume is very high, remember PV, I'm writing once again the equation, minus PB plus A by V minus AB by V square, MPC. I think you got an idea what I should do in the next step. Neat doctors, sir, volume is very high, this number is very low. This number is very low, therefore negligible. Hence, final equation becomes as PV is equal to RT. Okay, let me write PV plus RT. Am I right? If it is so, now I should say, sir, this is along y-axis, this is along x-axis, though it is mx, right? Here it is a slope of the value, and this is what C, intercept. Now how to proceed? Okay, sir, very simple. How to proceed? Very simple. Proceed. PV versus pressure is equal to, right, y is equal to mx plus c, positive slope and positive intercept. How to proceed for that? This is the graph. He is not asking the graph, he is asking the value. What is that value? When you are taking this intercept, remember the value will be RT. Yes, he may ask you slope. What is slope? Slope is equal to B. He may ask you diameter. All those questions are possible, generated from this discussion. Go ahead. This week we are having real behavior of gases. For NEET students, total gaseous state, because we have to talk about 22 questions. For NEET students, total, right? For IIT students, I'll take total gaseous state, but I'll prefer real gases. Questions and problems based upon real behavior of the gas. Is it over? Fine. That is the end. That will be revising. Please revise whole gaseous state in 1 second if it is possible. Tomorrow, Saturday, you don't have class. You can go ahead. Sunday, whole gaseous state for NEET students and also for MPC students. But MPC students, I prefer because there are less number of questions. I'll go to real state. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. बेटा सब्जेक्ट पे ध्यान दीजिए, सब्जेक्ट पे ध्यान दीजिए, राइट? मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा आपको मेरे सब्जेक्ट पे दिलचस्पी होना चाहिए, Thank you.